ladies and gentlemen, this is Maggie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a feature function of our platform, and we need to use the battery 73 volt 45 ampere hour and our E57 motorcycle to show you that how use our platform to remotely control the battery. Okay, right now that you can see here is our battery 73 volt 45 ampere hour. And here the series number is 3213. Okay, here we are using the E57. The maximum speed of this motorcycle is 85 km per hour. And we use the mid-drive model. Okay, right now that the motorcycle is power on right now. Okay, and in our platform, the serial number is same. 3213 73 45 ampere hour. The battery status is online. Okay, right now we are going to control the discharge and charge most fanion. And right now that let's see, the motorcycle is power on, and let's start the motorcycle. Okay, I'm going to turn off the charge and discharge most function. Okay, confirm. Okay, you can see that the motorcycle is off right now. Okay, and then secondly, we are going to turn on the charge and discharge most function. Okay, and then I'm going to turn on the charge and discharge most and confirm. Okay, right now the motorcycle is power on right now. Let's start it. Okay, wonderful. And here is the video content to show you how to control the battery with our platform to turn on and turn off the most favorite function. Okay, here is the video. If you are interested in our motorcycle battery and charging cabinets, please feel free to contact me. I'm Maggie, your reliable partner in China. Bye bye.